For making this recipe, in a bowl, add curd and whip it into a paste. Add ginger garlic paste and salt, and then chopped green chilies, chopped coriander and mint leaves. Now mix all the ingredients thoroughly and then add water to make it thin in consistency and mix well. If you need more salt, you can add some more. Now take another bowl and add some gram flour, ginger garlic paste, turmeric, salt, red chili powder, and then pour some water to get the required consistency and mix it well. After mixing it well, you can leave the batter for 15 to 20 minutes, and just before frying you can add bicarbonate soda or baking soda and mix it again and then fry it. Don't forget to preheat the oil before frying, or else these pakoras will become oily. Turn them well while frying so that they can become golden brown on all the sides. Now you can immediately add them into the curd mixture when it's hot, and then temper with cumin, whole red chilies and curry leaves. Now your dahi bades are ready to be served.